playing with Play-Doh is the best thing in the whole world.
Hey, Donald Duck, what you playing?
Oh, I'm playing with Play-Doh. I got it from Area 51. It's like, I like flying in Area 51. It's like the best.
I like Play-Doh. Can we just share?
Sure. After we get to McDonald's, because I'm hungry. Let's go to McDonald's.
Okay.
Yeah, take care. See ya. La 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 la. Oh, what the? Ooh, bro, this is a cool Play-Doh. Wait, is that lemonade flavor? So good. Let me bite his finger. Hey, what are you looking at? Stop! Oh man, I love this pickaxe. So fun. What the? Oh, is that alive, man? That looks so cool. But it's creepy. Hey there, Mr. Play-Doh. Leave me alone! What a beautiful day outside. What the? You look so stupid, you know? You look tasty. Oh, it tastes good, but my stomach doesn't feel good. Oh, well, I don't feel so good. Ugh. Die from food poison. Ah, man, it's a beautiful day. Wait, this is Llama's pickaxe. Wait, what is it doing here?
No, it's not.
Okay, let's keep it, to give it back. Okay, what a beautiful... Wait, how did it get here? Someone changed him.
Wait, who made that?
That was me, but someone changed it.
Maybe it's Among Us.
Yeah, he always liked playing Play-Doh. Yeah, this is actually a good pickaxe. I wonder why Llama left it.
I want to touch it.
Yeah, I want to touch it. I want to touch pickaxe. Give me it.
I want to touch. I want to touch your mouth.
Oh my god, what the heck is that? Oh my god. Wait, that just moved. Hit him with a pickaxe.
How about bats?
Is it dead?
Maybe. I'm so scared.
Let me put my arm on it. Okay, please don't bite me. Please don't bite me. Help me! It hurts so much! You stupid octopus! No, it's Play-Doh!
I know, how about Fox? Wait, where's Foxy?
You know what?
Wait, Foxy? Where's Foxy go?
Wait, yeah, where's Foxy?
Oh, he was sleeping.
Wow, what a terrible friend.
How about this? We can still put it inside the dog one.
Yeah, I think he's dead. What? It's still alive! How is it still alive? Okay, put it back to Play-Doh. Put it back.
Stay. No, stay. I will not put it inside. Here's your dad. Here's dad. You gotta freaking get in here! You freaking get in! You guys!
How is this still alive? What? What? He's still alive?
Oh no. Monty, wake up! He's still alive!
Yeah, he's still alive. Wake up!
Wake up!
Oh my god.
Oh, he can't hear you.
Okay, please don't hurt me, please. Help me! Help me, Boxy! Boxy! Help!
You.
Put it back! Put it back. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, we're never, ever doing that ever again. We're not opening that. We'll just take a break.
Sorry.
What? How did he get out? What?
The way stronger. I kill her. No, it's going to kill me. I kill
Piggy?
her. What?
Is Boxy crazy? Hello?
Well, I'm dead.
Yeah, it's kind of scary.
Yeah, what's it?
Yeah. Let's never. We're never playing with this ever again.
This way. Wait, what was it?
I never should have got that from Area 51.
And we got to do it. We didn't buy it. It's dangerous.
Oh. You want to go to Chick-fil-A?
Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, let's go.
Go.